Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss few questions of exponents and powers, and the first question is express as the power of rational number. Means you have to express p upon q whole raised to power m, where q is not equals to 0. And our first question is 81 upon 625. How we have to express it? Let us see. First of all, factorize numerator and denominator both. So numerator is 81 by 3. 27s are 81 by 3. 9s are 27 by 3 again. 3s are 9 and by 3 again. 3 ones are 3. And for 625, you know that 625 is divisible by 5 first of all. So 5. 125s are, then by 5 again. 5. 25s are 125. Then by 5 again. 5 5s are 25. And by 5 again. 5 ones are 5. So the factors of 81 are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Means we have 4 times 3. And factors of 625 are 4 times 5. Then it can be written in the form of powers as 3 raised to power 4 upon 5 raised to power 4. And the power you can take common because it is same now. So can be written as 3 upon 5 whole raised to power 4. This is your required answer. Now let us see one more question, that is minus 343 upon 512. So factorize 343. The factors will be, it will be divisible by 7 only. So 7 4s are 28. 6 left. 7 9s are 63. 49. Now by 7 again. 7 7s are 49. And by 7 again. 7 1s are 7. Now factorize 512 also, and the factors will be by 2 256, by 2 again 128, by 2 again 2 6 are 12 and 2 4 are 8, means 64. Then by 2 again 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, it will be 32. Then by 2 again 2 16s are 32. By 2 again 2 8s are 16. By 2 again 2 4s are 8. Then the last one is 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So the factors of minus 343 will be minus 7 multiplied by minus 7 multiplied by minus 7. It's 3 times. So you can put negative with minus 7. Then factors of 512 are 9 times 2 is there. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then you can see it is 9 times here. Then 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And again 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. remember in numerator 7 is 3 times. So let us divide the factors of 512 into 3 groups, and in each group there is equal number of time 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So now you can see in numerator we have minus 7 raised to power 3, and in denominator also we have same power now, that is 8 raised to power 3. And if the power is same, you can take it common. It is 7 upon 8 minus 7 upon 8 whole raised to power 3, which is your required answer. Let us see one more such problem, that is 729 upon 1000. Factorize them. The factors of 729 will be 6 times 3 and the factors of 1000 will be 3 times 2, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So this can be written as, you can see 2 is 3 times, 5 is 3 times. So numerator we also have to divide into 3 groups. So these 3 groups will be 3 3s are 9 into 3 3s are 9 into 3 3s are 9. So now this can be written as 9 raised to power 3 in the numerator and 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 3 in the denominator, which will be equals to 9 upon 2 multiplied by 5. Because the power is same, you can take it common, means you can write common power. So it will be 9 upon 10 whole raised to power 3, because 2 5s are 10 will be there in the denominator. So this is your required answer. Now let us see one more problem, that is minus 1 upon 216. Remember, minus 1 is as it is, and the factors of 216 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. You can check by factorizing them. So this can be written as minus 1 upon 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 3. Now see, minus 1, the power of denominator is 3. So minus 1 can also be written as minus 1 raised to power 3. Now the power is common. It will become minus 1 upon 2 into 3 whole raised to power 3, which is minus 1 upon 2 3s are 6 and whole raised to power 3. Remember, minus 1 raised to power 3 is minus 1. Because power is odd, so the negative will remain negative. That is the reason we write minus 1 as minus 1 raised to power 3. Now let us see one more topic, that is how to find out the reciprocal. If the number is in exponential form, means we have to find out the reciprocal of 12 raised to power 5. So you know 12 can be written as 12 upon 1 because nothing is there in the denominator, and its reciprocal will be, remember we have to take the reciprocal of base only, that is 1 upon 12, and the power is 5, so it will remain as it is. Means when we are taking reciprocal, we have to take the reciprocal of base only and the power will be as it is. Let us see one more question, that is minus 8 upon 13 raised to power 99. Now I repeat, take the reciprocal of base only. So its reciprocal will be reciprocal of minus 8 upon 13 will be 13 upon minus 8, and the power will be as it is 99 only. And the standard form of 13 upon minus 8 will be minus 13 upon 8, and the power will be 99. Let us see one more question, that is, find the reciprocal of 2 upon 3 multiplied by 9 upon 4. So simplify it first. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, and it is 3 1s are 3 upon 2 1s are 2, and its reciprocal will be 2 upon 3. You know, to find reciprocal we have to exchange numerator and denominator. So the last one I am going to discuss is find the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 2 into 4. Simplify it. 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 2 will be 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, and whole multiplied by 4 is there. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, it will become 1, and you know that reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. Thank you and keep smiling.